Welcome to Magitudes. In this tutorial you will learn how to download your Canva project as a Microsoft PowerPoint PPT. First of all, let us just create a design here, and I will just go with custom dimensions here. And now let me just quickly add a couple of photos here from Canva's photo tab. And now let's just suppose I would like to download these 3 slides here as a Microsoft PPT file. To do so, all you need to do is to click here on those 3 dots in the top right corner, and then under Share you have to look out for Microsoft PowerPoint. As you can see in our case here, nothing like that is visible, so to make it visible go here to See All, and then scroll down a bit and you will find Microsoft PowerPoint. In some cases this will be visible directly here under Share without having to go to See All. It really depends on the kind of Canva project that you started. Now that we have found our Microsoft PPT here, just simply click on that. And now to download it as a Microsoft PowerPoint file, all that is left for you to do is to select the pages here. In our case we would like to have all these 3 slides, so we'll just leave it like this. If not, you can just tick or untick the individual slides here. Click on Done. And then simply click on Download to download as a Microsoft PowerPoint file. That's it guys, this is how to download your Canva project as a Microsoft PowerPoint file. I hope you did indeed enjoy this video. If you did, I would be most grateful if you could subscribe to my channel, and in that case please don't forget to hit the notification bell. Have a great day guys, bye!